Welcome back, guys. I'm your host Suleiman Kurush. Today I will explain very briefly and quickly how you can check spellings in your spreadsheets. Very common phenomena when we are working on numbers, when we're working on the functions and formulas, we don't have much time to focus on the spellings, which makes perfect sense. So for that, we have a solution right in there in our spreadsheet, and we'll look at it. So I've put here some let's say let's deliberate some errors here, and then we can see how Excel will treat this. So first of all, we have to click on review. When you click on the review, on the very left corner, you'll find this spell checking. I will click on it, and it will start immediately checking the spellings for me. You can see over here, test is not a word in the dictionary, and there's a suggestion here you can see. So what I will do is I will simply ask Excel to change, and Excel will change this. I have to be patient with this because it might take a little bit time for Excel to change. So once clicked, then I'll move on to the next one, checker. That's the right word, so I will click on this as well. And once that's done, Excel will inform and notify that your spell check has been completed and you are good to go. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. So, fellows, it was fairly simple, straightforward, but handy. So make sure whenever you finish your Excel spreadsheet and you send it to your colleagues or for reporting, quick spell check will help you to be more authentic when your reports are being read. Nobody likes spell mistakes. So this will help you to be more authentic in terms of data and text in your spreadsheets. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe the channel. If you have any comments, questions, queries, please do not hesitate to share, and I'll make sure that I'll get back to each of you once you comment here and share your sentiments and comments. I wish you all a safe rest of the day, and take care of yourself. I look forward to speak to you again. Bye bye.